ones, like these sour green ones. Just like these regular purple ones. We have apricots. Oh, let me say these in Arabic for you guys. So we got apricots here, which are called mishmish in Arabic. Mishmish. And then we have anab, which means grape, and akhdar, which is green grape. Akhdar is green. And then we have anab hamra, like red grape. Anab hamra. Then we did some tomatoes, baqdunis. We got banadura. Banadura is tomato. Banadura. Got a bunch of different peppers here. Flavely. Peppers, flavely. Then we got the khiyar, or khiyara, cucumbers. We got now this is baqdunis. Baqdunis, both of these. This is curled parsley. And we got some flat parsley here. We're gonna make some tabbouleh out of this, and probably some tea of the flat one. This is just aloe vera. Let's see here. We got the dill. I don't remember how to say dill in Arabic. I also don't know how to say kale in Arabic either. We have lettuce, husks. We have my favorite, the mint leaves, which is nana. Nana. Drop it in there. Then in front, more in front there, I think you can't barely see them, but we have green onions, basal. We also got this little tray of almond and Portugal. Lemon, almond, or lemon, and Portugal, orange. Okay, that's it. Let's fix the camera now. I'm gonna get a second camera for this, guys. I think it'd be cool if you guys could like see the table slowly fill up with food. Now I have to fix my camera. Thank you for the rupees. Chris, thank you so much for the 100 biddies. I appreciate it. I'm sorry, you guys just like get like really up close and personal with my face. How are we looking? Are we crooked? Crooked. Does this look? I think we're no, it's not crooked. This is what we were working with before, right? Same thing, same difference. We look good. Glad I found your stream, loving the vibes. Thank you so much, Chris. I appreciate it. Ahlan, welcome. Might just need a second camera. I know, Abby. I really should, especially for doing cooking content. I have my other cameras upstairs actually for my gaming setup. I just I'm so lazy, you know. I like to keep one down here, one upstairs, and not move things around too much. Okay. Got some nuts here. I guess what do I want to do next? Let me strain these chickpeas, I guess. Okay. This bowl. Get some hot pads. Okay, very good. That's nice. Okay.